Set clear goals. Determine your fitness goals, whether it's losing weight, building muscle, increasing endurance, or improving overall health. Having specific goals will help you stay motivated. Create a workout plan. Develop a structured workout plan that includes a variety of exercises targeting different muscle groups. This can include cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Start slowly. If you're new to exercise or returning after a break, start with manageable workouts. Gradually increase the intensity and duration to avoid overexertion and injury. Consistency is key. Establish a regular exercise routine. Consistency is crucial for achieving and maintaining fitness goals. Mix it up. Include a variety of exercises in your routine to prevent boredom and engage different muscle groups. This can also help avoid plateaus in your progress. Warm up and cool down. Always warm up with light cardio and dynamic stretches before your workout. Afterward, cool down with static stretches to improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Proper form. Pay attention to your form during exercises. Using proper technique is essential to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of your workout. Pay attention to how your body feels. If you experience pain or discomfort beyond normal muscle soreness, it's essential to rest and consult a healthcare professional if necessary. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Proper hydration is vital for overall health and optimal performance. Get adequate rest. Allow your body to recover by getting enough sleep. Rest is essential for muscle repair and overall well-being. Balanced nutrition. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Proper nutrition complements your fitness efforts. Stay motivated. Find sources of motivation, whether it's working out with a friend, setting rewards for reaching milestones, or tracking your progress. Be patient. Fitness is a journey, and results may take time. Don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks, and stay committed to your goals. Consult a professional if you're unsure about your fitness plan or have specific health concerns. Consider consulting a fitness trainer or healthcare provider for guidance. Remember that everyone's fitness journey is unique. It's essential to tailor your fitness plan to your individual needs and preferences. The key is to make exercise a regular part of your lifestyle for long-term health and well-being.